friends. I missed seeing you at school. I found some cards at my house that have pictures of trucks. I thought we could play a guessing game of what kind of truck it is. Are you ready? Let's go! What kind of truck do you think this is? You're right! It's a tow truck! Good job! How about this truck? What do you think this is? You're right! It's a cement truck! How about this truck? This looks like a fun one. It's an ice cream truck. Maybe you'll see one this summer. Here's our last truck. I bet you know what this one is. It's a fire truck. Good job. Thanks for playing the truck game with me. How many trucks can you find today in your neighborhood? Have a good day. Bye.